This is kind of, I guess, an apology video. An apology to the Apple cloth. And by extension, I guess an apology to Apple. When this first was released, I laughed. 1999 for a cloth with an embossed little Apple logo in it, but still a cloth. I wasn't really I mean, I thought it was again one of those sort of like silly Apple products that why would anybody pay $20 for a polishing cloth? But I'm here to eat my words today, and I'm going to tell you why. I mean, of course, I bought one, which just goes to show something that about Apple, right? You know, I made fun of it. It's a silly thing to spend that much money on a polishing cloth, but yet I bought one. Got to admit, this is a different kind of cloth than any kind of microfibery, wipey cloth that you might have had in the past. I mean, okay, so this is the microfiber cloth, well, the Apple cloth. It's, I don't know if you can't really see the thickness, but it's even like a double thickness here. It's kind of sealed around the edges with a little, yeah. And so this is the Apple cloth. This is a regular microfiber-ish cloth that I would use to clean my glasses or something like that, let's say. So this is floppy, and this is very stiff, floppy, right? Now there's nothing wrong with the floppy cloth. It does its job. They tend not to last very long. I tend to have to get rid of them after, you know, however many wipes of the glasses. The one thing I can say, though, is that as a glasses cleaner, the Apple cloth does not excel. However, it excels at other things. Now, for example, I'm going to do a little test here today. I'm going to try and show you how much better this is at cleaning screens and other such things than just about anything else. And I have here with me my my iPad M4 13-inch with the nano coating. Now, I bought the nano coating because I kind of hate the idea. I hate fingerprints on my screen, and so I thought the nano coating might take care of that because I have a paper-like screen protector on one of my other iPads, and that takes care of fingerprints quite nicely. But as you can see, this thing is well fingerprinted. I'm going to try and do like a third and a third and a third with a regular cloth, and then the cloth that came with the iPad with nano texture that's supposed to be appropriate for cleaning it. And I guess really the nano texture is kind of sensitive, so you're really only supposed to use this cloth. But I've used other cloths. All right, I've not been I've I've not had fidelity to this cloth. This is a bigger, also dual. It's like, you know, it's two cloths sort of sealed, more floppy, softer. This is almost like a suede texture. This is kind of a softer, microfibery feel. Okay, I'm going to start with this guy. I'm going to wipe one section, this section here, and then I'll show you how it does. And I'm just going to give it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so let's see how that did. All right, 15 wipes. And as you can see, it's not the best. It's kind of still smushy, smudgy, didn't get the edges very well. These iPads are hard to clean. For this one, I'm going to go with the cloth that came with it, and I'm going to go sort of in the middle, and then, of course, last I'll go with the Apple cleaning cloth. So let's see how this guy does, since this is what Apple packaged with the M4 Nano Texture iPad Pro as the thing that's supposed to clean it. So let's do this. And we'll do 15 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I did a little bit more there, but let's see. You can see that it's a little bit better, right? Still sort of smushy and smudgy over here and over in here. Better. And maybe I didn't do it exactly the same as I did the other one, but it did a pretty good job. Now let's just go with the Apple cleaning cloth and see what 10 swipes does with this guy. And it came folded. It naturally wants to fold. So that's 10 swipes with the Apple cleaning cloth. I'll just go with the additional 5 that I gave the other cloths. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So to my eyes here, and maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. the area with the Apple cleaning cloth with 15 swipes is cleaner than the other two. It just is. Maybe not by a lot compared to the one that came with the iPad, but still, this over here on the edge is what it looked like when I started, and everything else over here is what it looks like now. So I'm going to take the Apple cleaning cloth, and I'm just going to, kind of wipe as I would normally wipe. Kind of hard because it wants to slide around, but the edges are the hardest part. And now, other than a few smudges around the edges where I touched it while wiping, it is pretty darn clean. That really surprised me. I've been using the Apple cloth. I think I got it back in January, February, and I've been using it since then to clean, screens on my MacBook, screens on my iPhone, other screens just around. You can see that it has picked up a little bit of dirt. I don't know that you can wash this, but it continues to be like super sturdy after 9 months of use, and is very, very good. So just in order to there's my iPhone. I'm going to fingerprint it up. And just a few wipes, like you can feel it become clean. And the same goes for the back here. Polish up the Apple logo, and it is shiny as the day is long. As I said, you can wipe just about anything with this within reason. And so therefore, I must apologize. Value for money is what you're getting here. All cleaning cloths are not built the same. And even though I poo-pooed the Apple cleaning cloth as another silly Apple product that just wanted to sort of take people's money, this is the best cleaning cloth that I've ever used. And so therefore, apologies to the Apple cleaning cloth and Apple by extension. I'm a fan. Now, maybe you think it's kind of ridiculous to be a fan of a cleaning cloth, but I've worn glasses since I was in the 3rd grade, and I'm kind of a little obsessive about keeping my glasses clean. So cleaning cloths they loom large in my legend, and so therefore this one has a soft spot in my heart. Anyway, thanks for being here once again. My name's Jason, formerly known as Painfully Honest Tech, sometimes known as the JTL. This has been a video about a cleaning cloth. If you want more videos about cleaning products and creativity and tech and all that kind of stuff, then hit the subscribe button. If you want to see another video that I made about something that's probably somehow related to this, then you can click over here, I think it is. Anyway, till next time, I'm out.